This is awkward because I've legit been talking to you all, setting all this up, and it wasn't filming. Well, that sums up a lot of things, doesn't it? Oh, well, that's okay. So, I've got my weeks. This is going to be a weird video. All your videos are weird, Holly, but that's okay. So, I did the date covers. We're using the Blush Christmas kit. We're just going to roll with the punches here. I was just setting down my dinner script and talking about how I might do something fun and funky on the sidebar. This is going to be a weird video, friends. It's okay. It's okay. We got this. So let's do... I think I want to do the quotes, but I want to throw like a lot of the deco on this side. So we've got those and that, the Santa hats, and the big stockings. So let's do the big stockings first. Or at least a few of them. And let's add the ornaments. And we got some Santa hats. I feel like we need something right there though. Oh, we've got these ornaments too. But I might use those in there. We could do the sprigs. Let's do the little sprigs. Add some green. Okay, so let's try again. Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel, because you didn't hear any of that. So we are planning for the week of December 20th through the 26th with the Blush Christmas kit from CoffeePlannerMom. If any of you had that happen, or you've been talking to yourself literally for probably 10 minutes, camera wasn't on, let me know in the comments below. How awkward did you feel? Because it's for real. It's a real awkwardness right now. So we have Spirit Week this week. So I have 2 more days of school, Monday and Tuesday. And Monday is Ugly Sweater Day. And Tuesday is Pajama Day, which is a great excuse to buy new pajamas. I'm just saying. Totally is. So we've got Santa hats there. Let's do a couple Santa hats here because we've got them. I think I'm going to put quotes there too, but I just wanted to have like a background to it. Let's do dinners like that. Ha ha. And I think I want to change the December. I have Crafty Nellie's December. Yeah, let's change it and let's put use the Santa reindeer background. And I know I'm covering up one of those sprigs, but I'm totally okay with that. Just do December. Pull Santa hat up here, maybe. No, maybe not. I still like that. That's staying. We'll figure out another spot for the Santa hat. Okay. So yes, so we have Spirit Week, so I gotta put stuff down for that. I also have Gail's freebie. I've got checklists, check boxes, quotes. I think I'm gonna do the Merry Christmas to All. Can we fit that in the sidebar? find out real quick. I think we can. I think we can make it work. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. I know it covers up that stocking, but again, this is meant to be a background. And we'll add some more zhuzh there in a moment. You know, zhuzh. Just want it to kind of be have that stocking there. We have more ornaments. This guy here, and this guy over here. Zhuzh. We're zhuzhing it up. So we got that quote there. Let's do that there. And we have the stockings and Merry and Bright. And I think we'll line those up together. Or it just says Bright, I'm sorry. It's not Merry and Bright. Let's do that. Why not? Why not? We can do what we want, right? So let's do the poinsettias on Monday. And then we'll do candy canes on Tuesday. I do have candy canes as well, but I have that sheet, that large deco sheet, in another room for my journaling. So that'll be the 2 spirit days. We have an appointment on Wednesday for the other dog, Jules. She is getting her hairs cut. She's getting her hairs cut. So let's use... we do candy canes instead. I'm trying to use up all the Christmassy boxes so that the plain boxes, if I need them, are left over. But we'll see. And then I have a hair appointment on Thursday. We need to use like... I don't know. I don't know on that one. So there's that. And we've got do we have a box we can use for that? Oh, you know what? Let's use a poinsettia. Where's this gonna pop out the best with? The pink? I feel like that's almost too much pink. I feel like it needs to be the blue, but I'm scared it's too much blue. Or what if we kind of do a that there. This here. I think we need one more. Let's get that pale pink in there. Huzzah! And then let's do Christmas Eve. I think I still have Rustic Christmas. And I think I want to use the trees. So no weekend banner, but we are like making it work. The Christmas trees. And Christmas Eve like that. Oh, I like that. That's fun. Yay, fun. We can do the Santa stop here again. We do like Merry and Bright. Where are we going to put Merry and Bright? Let It Snow, we can save for another time. I still have these guys because I do want to use these. Maybe we do Merry and Bright with another poinsettia. Because I like that. That's fun. Dinners. Don't forget. Baking. I have a lot of baking I want to do, and I'm baking like every weekend, and it just didn't happen this time, which is okay. So I want to make sure I take some time, probably on Wednesday, and it may be a little mixed, but I just want to, it's almost like, maybe I'll just put it on Thursday, but it's going to happen like throughout the week. I think that's probably should do it because I will need space for to-do list. I got some right there, so I guess we can, let's go ahead and put that down. Put one there. I know it's crooked. And put maybe a blue one. Maybe we'll cut this one and put One here. And one here. Yes, I think I should stop while I'm ahead, especially since, like, I don't even know what this is going to sound like to you all now that I'm done. But it was a fun spread to put together. I hope you are not a person who's afraid of mixing color palettes. If you have to, like I said, I used some from the Rustic Kit, Gail's freebie. So it's kind of all over the place, but I really enjoy it. And I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate. And if you don't and you're just enjoying a break, I hope you enjoy your break. I'll catch you all in the next one.